Okay. See that? Roses. I like roses. This one needs to be deadhead. Man, the cutter don't want to cut. See what we got here. There's the Jerusalem artichoke. They look like sunflowers. I think they're kind of ugly, but anyway. See what we got here. We're going to walk over here to the watermelon. Pull this up here. Look at that watermelon. I watered today. Yeah, see that's green right there. It's not done yet. Yeah, I didn't cut no watermelon open after I learned how to tell. And this one here is still green. It's almost done. I don't know if you can see that. Camera the right way here. That gotta be brown all the way down. Okay. Let's see what else we got here. Get these tomato plants up. I shouldn't have let them go wild like that. I told Shelly, it's not the way to do it, and I done it anyway. That was bad of me. So, this one here. Yeah, that's bad. Oh well. Let me cover this watermelon back up here. And see what else we got here. Yeah, it's 71 degrees out right now. The weather been cool, like in the 50s at night, Fahrenheit. So it's, these plants about had it. This is a weed here. Let me get rid of that weed. I still got flowers on these though. And I got some buds over here. I seen. Yeah. So. Another weed. Oh, these weeds just trying to sneak in. Trying to camouflage them. Themselves. So they won't know. Okay. Trim this. See, I got one right here. Got a bigger one right here. I think I'll get these off of here. I don't think I can grow any bigger. I'm not for sure. Oh, let's see. See, they're all small here. I watered today anyway, like I said. Maybe that'll help them. The ground seems pretty dry. And watering them every 2 days now. See what we got here. Oh. A decent sized jalapeno. There's another one. Let's see. Let them on a little bit longer. Keep them on a little bit longer. Keep them on a little bit longer. See what happens in 2 days. And see what we got here. Oh, what did I see here? What did I see here? Yeah, I'm gonna cut that one. That one's not that big though. It's big, but it's not that big. Well, this one I'm going to take off because I just broke it off anyway. Well, don't see any more to be picked yet. Not for a couple of days. Okay, Shelly picked the last cucumber off of here. It's done. It had it. There's no more. Okay, cherry tomatoes. Yeah, the cherry tomato's about done. There's a grape tomato. The rest of the cherry tomato on the ground to keep them down, or maybe it'll pop up next year, like that one plant did. And let's see, here's a grape tomato I'm picking. That's all I guess I see. Let's see what we got over here. Let's see. I don't see no peppers on that one. Yeah. Don't see no peppers on that one either. I don't see no buds. Yeah, I see one little bud. No beefsteaks. There's tiny beady old things. See, I got over here. Let me move this brick. Move this clip. A lot of green tomatoes. This one tomato plant looks like it's dead. Oh, wait a minute here. What's this? I don't know what the heck that is. It's not a tomato. Huh? Could be a tomato. Some kind. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, I'm picking this one. We're having BOTs tonight. Well, we got a lot of tomatoes in the house still, though. Okay. See, hot peppers. I forgot to pick some of those on the other side here. Oh, I keep bypassing them. That one. Sound like I hear a baby goat, but I think that's a baby deer. Let's see what we got here. Okay. I love these clippers here. See, there's one here. Okay, so I'm gonna pick on that right now. Next time, I might pick a lot more. Let me move this brick here. See. These are sweet peppers. I'm not sure how much they're supposed to grow. They look like bell peppers. I'm gonna keep them on a little bit longer. And these are bell peppers. Never had any luck with bell peppers. See this one here getting rotted. Pitch that. Let's see. Oh, what's we got back here? Oh, I didn't see that back there. Yep, keeping that baby. I think I saw another one back there from the side. See before. Let's see. I'm gonna have to go back on the other side over there. You can hear my pie pans blowing in the breeze. Don't see anything over here. I never liked these bushy tomatoes. Hard to grow. Oh, little breeze kicking up there. Okay. Let me take this down. Take this down. Might as well do it now. Otherwise I have to come back out and do it again. Make another trip out here. Okay. This is what I got so far, not much. I'm gonna water every 2 days, see if that helps it. And to the end of the season. Where did I see that one tomato at? It was over there somewhere. Right down here. Ooh, there's a bee here. I'm not messing with your bee. Oh, full. Damn, look at that. Look at that. Okay. Oh, let me go my strawberries. First of all, I want to do, check that milkweed plant pod. They say you cover it with a bag and the wind won't blow the seeds around. Otherwise, the wind carries the seeds off. It's not ready yet. It might be another month or two before it is ready. There's a lot of mows around here and bows. Oh, if I got to show you, you probably can't see it, but that second tree there to the right, that's where the neighbor here put out corn for the deers. And once in a while I try to get pictures of them. Should have brought that bow with me. Anyway.
You're in a monitored area.
No, I seen a couple red ones. That's not that red yet. There's a couple here. Oh, I just sliced that one open, I think, with that cage. I'll get these up. See this one here? Yep, that one's ready too. Oh, I dropped one. I don't want to waste them. Okay. Okay, done on that one. See, this one here don't have those sideboards on it. Okay. Nothing on here. I'm afraid this one's gonna die. I'm not sure what to do. Okay, nothing on there either. I'm ready to go. This one pipe pan is stuck in the limbs. Once well, I come out, straighten them all. I can't. Oh, here we go. Well, hope you like what I have so far. My garden is getting thinner, so it's thinner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep watching. Helps my channel out. Give me a thumbs up so I can produce more videos. And till next time, later.